There's not a better way to spend a Saturday than celebrating with our teachers from all around Lagos. It's great to be here at the Lagos Teachers Conference, where learning is social. It's been a great day. My name is Dr. Dan Love. I am the superintendent, so they got all that right, and I think that's just the beginning.
Our hearts are pure, our voice is true. With open arms we welcome you. Funga Alafia. Funga.
Over the past years, this is the second of the third edition. The second. It feels like you've been doing this forever.
So many people taking notes, which is amazing. It looks like the learning has already started, so that's fantastic. So thank you, also for getting us to such an amazing start.
Circle like this.